Welcome back to this GurooFunnels tutorial and the training session this week for our GurooFunnels members. Now, a couple of weeks ago, you might have seen that I created an e-commerce landing page. It's very much a product page that was designed to sell the features and benefits of the product itself. However, what we've put together today is a landing page that actually sells the benefit or the outcome of your actual product. And especially if it's like a supplement or something like that, this is a really good way to advertise your product. That's a little bit off center of what most other people are doing, so that you stand out more and so that you build a brand and get results for your people, as well as creating more sales and hopefully more profit in your business as well. So this is an example from this is a free 1-day micro cleanse, which is where we got the example from. And the benefit of this page is it's also a free plus shipping offer. So you're giving people you're selling the cleanse, but in order for them to actually do this cleanse successfully, then they need to get your 6 delicious green juices. They get them for free, and then you just pay shipping and handling. Once you get them into the funnel, and once they purchase that first offer, on the next page, which you can set up quite easily in your store or on a different page, then we want to be upselling them to either a subscription or just getting them some nice big bottles. And that's how we're going to make our money on this particular funnel. So if you look at the landing page, up the top, you want an attention grabbing headline. So it could talk about how it's free plus shipping, or it could talk about the outcome that they're going to get. Talk about the free 1-day micro cleanse, and then what is actually included, a little bit about the product, and then a button for people who don't want to continue to read. And then we continue on with the people who do want to read, because there's still going to be a percentage of people who actually do go through the entire page and read it all. That's actually a big mistake that I see with some people. Some people think that because everybody else is like them, where you might be the type of person that only reads the headlines and the price and maybe some of the things on the page, and you're like, yep, that's me, I'm going to take that. Whereas other people, they actually like to go through the finer details, which is why having a long sales page in most cases is the best option. There's very few brands out there that are selling to cold traffic on a short sales page. So you definitely want to have a long sales page, and this is what we've created for you. Here, you can have a video. So it's very rare for me to see any video above the fold that converts better than just an image. So put the video down a little bit further. Even the bigger brands are doing that now because they know the same. And then you want to start going into your features and benefits and what's in your product and why people need to actually get that, some testimonials, another call to action button, some more videos, what's included, why they're doing this, free access. So this is, again, talking about the cleanse itself. So they're giving you access into a free support group, so that you can continue doing that. Some more proof, answer all of the frequently asked questions here. One of the biggest things that stops people from buying are the questions that they have. So anytime you get a support question, you should take that support question and put that somehow incorporate that onto your landing page, either in the copy or in the frequently asked questions section. Because if you can answer people's questions on this page, then the conversion rate is definitely going to skyrocket. And then down the bottom, you always want to have a call to action, so a really strong one, so that people do go ahead and purchase. So once they're in there, then we come in and you can play around with this page. Like I said, this page you want to create as your upsell. So we've just taken the webinar purchase. So we've just taken the webinar page where you can actually create the same type of thing. So you'd change that to say, congratulations, you've got your free plus shipping offer. It's on its way. But wait, before you go, upgrade now to the big bottle, and you can have an explainer video here, or you can just have your actual product information there, so a product image there, and then all the benefits of why they should actually do that. And so let's just go ahead and do that now. I wanted to go a little bit more in depth with this one, so I can show you how easy it is to actually start to change things. So congratulations. You don't want to say your shipment's on its way. We're about to ship your product. And I'll probably put a but there. Add this to your order now and save 25% for life. and so we might be talking about it, getting them on a subscription. Your 25% discount ends in, so you'd have that, and you'd have maybe put that to like to like maybe 2 minutes, so people need to make a fast decision. From the desk of the founder, so you can put your name and your little image there, and it'll be all of the things that they're going to get when they upgrade. So get our subscription, get our green juice subscription, and save 25% for the life of your subscription. So then you can start putting a little bit of information in there about that. And then you want to talk about why else do they need to get it. So if we're thinking about green juice, then they want to feel more energy probably. So stay energized daily with 30 servings per month delivered to your door. And there we go. Oops. So that's how easy it is to change. And then instead of a video over here, let's just say we want to create an image. So we just come over here to our elements, find the image tab, drag that on top. Remove our video. And we can choose our image from our folder. So for now, I'm just going to put in this placeholder that we used last time. Click update. Then you've got your image in there, which is updated. You can actually center this. So don't know if that's going to do it. We might need to put that into an actual container instead. So we just put that container there, and then this will allow us to center that image. Click on the image and then select your container, and then you come down to layout down here, and then that will allow us to center it. So now we've got that in there, and then obviously we want to change this button to add to my order. And then that will be your one-click upsell. So that's really how quickly you can go through and update these pages. So I just wanted to give you that example so that you can actually see, because I don't do that too much in some of these, but it's as simple as that. And you can start split testing these. You can start doing whatever you want to increase the conversions. It really just becomes a game of testing, making some changes, testing again, making some changes, and that's how you can continue to increase your conversion rates. So that's basically the page, and it's going to be a really great one for you if you are selling products or cleansers, or anything that is similar that would fit in this space. So enjoy this video and tune in for the next one. Hit subscribe if you're not already. For the members, this will be in your members area. You can go through, you can grab this funnel, you can use it. If you're not a member yet, make sure you sign up to GrooveFunnels through my affiliate link. So if you do upgrade at any time down the track, then you get tens of thousands of dollars worth of bonuses, which is including many more funnels just like this one. So enjoy this, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.